Hey, it's John-Marc and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw a cartoon in 3 easy steps. Today's episode, I will be sharing with you how to create something very fishy. Well, it ain't really fishy, it's actually a seahorse. So if you enjoy doing cute little seahorses, I'm sure you're going to like doing this lesson. Alright, so if you have your mighty pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Hey, now that was a fun lesson, and I really hope you enjoyed doing that cute little cartoon seahorse in these 3 easy steps. Well, what can you take home from this lesson? Well, it's not going to be a challenge on using your creativity or using a different pencil or style. It's actually coloring it. Yeah, why don't you pick up some of your crayons or your colored pencils or your markers or your watercolors, whatever you enjoy, and color it in. I'm sure you're going to have a fun time doing it. As always, I want to say a big thanks for checking out this video and all my other ones. If you haven't seen it, check them out. All right, thanks and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.